used to be the staircase. Now the staircase has been turned around. There's only one being built at the moment. New window going in up there to be installed. So we're entering up into what used to be the kitchen. This used to be the staircase, it's now part of the kitchen.
Celebrate the summer of great value by using your own deals as well. Or get into Vodafone to get the HTC Sensation XL smartphone. Simply sign up to a new 24-month Smart 100 plan and you'll get the HTC Sensation XL for just $499. You'll also get a free Beats audio headset worth $200. So to get great value with Vodafone, visit us in store today. Discounts and early termination fees differ by plan and duration. For full terms, see vodafone.co.nz.
For one final weekend, Rebel Sports' major summer sports sale comes with 30% off all clothes and footwear.
Going to be bifold doors going up to the new big deck. You see through into our bedroom at the moment. Or it's currently painting the new timber on the inside of the deck. Say hello, wave. It's a video. Through the kitchen, to the hallway, to our right. It was a bit quick, sorry. It's the master bedroom and the new double-sized deck. So back from where we've come, this goes into the ensuite. Double vanity hand basin, and you can see through into the double shower. Sit and bath, bifold doors through to watch telly. And then over here opposite us is the walk-in wardrobe. Go back out into the bedroom and into the little hallway, and we're in the spare bedroom. And the ensuite and guest bathroom is off on the side. There we go.